Guys, look how pretty the tree. It's coming on, it's coming on. Ang ganda oh. Pero ang katabi niya guys, wala pang dahon. Ayan. May mga dahon na. Ayan siya. Tapos next nito ay flower. It's raining, it's snowing. Guys, April 24 is still snowing. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. Guys, after the rain in the morning and snow mid-morning and now in the afternoon, it's so nice and sunny, and that's what Montreal is. Look. Isn't it beautiful, that tree? Everything is coming beautiful. And look at my plant. This is my bleeding heart. It's growing beautiful. It's a bleeding heart, white bleeding heart. The flower is coming. Nice. Probably you get a lot of flower. I have one more there, but this one is beautiful. Isn't it nice? Ah, and they're all coming. See how nice is it? Ah, it's a beautiful day. Toot toot toot. After the shower, after the rain, the snow, now it's sunny. Here is my figs in the sunshine. Indoor sunshine now. Look guys, it's coming again. The second time flies. It's my lovely poinsettia. It's April, but it's still red. See, the other one died. Nilagay ko sa labas. And it's my banana. This is my cactus pear. Walang bunga. But I'm so happy to see all red, the poinsettia. Yeah, this is passion fruit. Wala pang bunga. And look how sunny it is. Earlier it's raining. And then after A while it becomes snowing. And now it's sunny. Nice and sunny. See? It's spring. All the leaves is coming. It's spring. See, the bird is coming back. Ayan, guys. It's a burning bush. Nice and sunny, sunny, sunny. Thank you guys. Update lang ako ng aking halaman sa loob. Buti hindi ko nilabas. Nag-isno kanina. Ayan, the little bird. Nakikita niyo ba? Ang aking lovebird. Ayan o, bumisita na naman sila. Nalimutan ko bumili ng feed na pakainan nila. Ayan, magpupugad ulit sila dyan. Very active sila guys.